Hi guys, this is Shivadi. Welcome to the tutorial on ESLint. This is an introduction to the ESLint session. ESLint is a utility which provides the capability to run the JavaScript code and identifies the code quality issues. ESLint is a static analysis tool which scans the JavaScript code and identifies the code quality issues wherever it is going to violate the stylish or guidelines provided by the JavaScript. As we know that JavaScript is being a dynamic and loosely typed language is especially prone to developers error. Without the benefit of compilation process, JavaScript code is typically executed in order to find the syntax or other errors. So by using the ESLint, ESLint is going to analyze the JavaScript code during the development phase itself, and it will identify the code quality issues and report the back to the developer so that developer can easily work on those errors and fix it during the development phase itself. The primary reason for ESLint was created was to allow the developer to create their own linting rules. ESLint is designed to have all the rules completely pluggable, and the default rules are written just like any plugin rules that would be act like a custom rule. And ESLint was written using Node.js to provide a fast runtime environment and easily installation via npm. And this is an open source project. Developer can create the custom rule as per their needs, and that can be plugged into the ESLint rules. And built-in rules can be pluggable as required, and also it is going to support different type of formats for the linting output. By using these outputs, you can easily integrate with the other code quality tools like a Sonar Cube. You can easily integrate, and all the rules whatever it is available in the SonarLint are standalone, and you can change or you can turn off or on as per our need. At the same time, you can set the each rule, either it can be a warning or error, you can set individually. And by using the ESLint, it provides a set of automatic fixes whichever it is identified as part of the code quality. That means it has few rules are defined wherever the code quality, that means whenever ESLint is analyzing that code, it finds certain rules, and for that certain rules there are automatic fix also available. That means developer may not require to go and fix manually. Instead of that, when they run the ESLint, automatically certain code quality issues can be fixed by ESLint itself. So by using the ESLint, the developer productivity can be increased, and also it will provide a automatic fixing. Hence that means the productivity and the workaround for the to fix the issues can be very less. Hope you understand what the concept of ESLint and why we are going to use the ESLint. And in the next session we are going to see how we can install ESLint on our local computer. Thanks for watching.